Okay, Scooby's gone. Let's see if he let me. Oh, see, you see that? Just like my Jack. He assumed the position. Or she, I'm sorry, she assumed the position. That was a turtle. I didn't pet the turtle. No. Okay. More scratch. More scratch. More scratch. Yes. Ow! Oh, see, okay, Scooby has entered the room. That's how you know Scooby entered the room. Alright, we have a jealous streak. Yes, we do.